Alright, what up YouTube? Fixes on the Tacoma today. One of the problems that I'm having right now, which seems like to be a common problem for Tacoma owners, is the air conditioning not working properly. So there it is. Nothing. Turn on the AC. Nothing. 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 There we go. So it turns on only on the high mode, but once you hit right here, it doesn't turn on. But it's still drawing on the engine. Oops. So I'm gonna fix that right now. Is that there's a sensor down here, and I think it's, let's see here, I want to say it's that one right there. So there's two screws. We're gonna go ahead and take them off. One of them is right there, and then the other one's in the back right there. So we're gonna take those two screws off, and then we'll be able to take this off. So first we'll take off this wiring harness. All right, got that off. Now it gives me a little bit more room to get to these bolts, this one and that one, and then we can pull this thing off. And I got a replacement one I bought off of eBay. Not buying shit off of Amazon anymore because Jeff Bezos makes way too much money. I'm sure the people at eBay make hella money too, but it's just, I'd rather just not give my money to Jeff Bezos. It's actually 7:30 seconds, which is weird because this is a Japanese car. I think Toyotas are Japanese, and it's a American size bolt, standard, I guess they call it. Okay, there's one screw, one more on the back. All right, here we go. Oh, here's the part that is broken, supposedly. Woo! You guys can see that. Slovenia. I don't know if this thing is blown out right here, what this is called. You can see rust buildup has got on there, so that probably affected the connection somehow. But I got a new one, so let's replace it. Intermotor Genuine Import Parts, SMP. Resistor RU746, made in Mexico. Holla! It's America. It's America. Ooh, let's do a comparison. So here's the new part. Made in Mexico. Here's the old part. Made in Slovenia. So you might not be happy. Well, I guess if you're American, you probably won't be driving a Toyota, you'll be driving a Ford. So anyways, this doesn't apply to you. But if you're a bigot, this part is made in Mexico, so you might not want to be rocking this one either. And hopefully it does the same purpose. So let's find out. First, it has to fit. Can you guys see that? This is gonna fit, but I'll put that after I get this up in there. Okay, that part fits. Where the hell does the bolt? Oh, there it goes. There, see that? There's the one in the back. Alright YouTube, just finished putting the part on, and it wasn't too bad, but damn, it's freaking hot. So don't over tighten the bolts because they're just metal, but the part is plastic, so you're gonna crack the part, you know, you're gonna crack the part where it screws into. So just get it snug on there. It doesn't have to, you know, be over torqued. And plug the wire back on and let's see what happens. Wish me luck. Let's see if I just got jacked. Alright, hopefully it starts. Let's see here. Oh, that doesn't do anything. Oh, first I have it on defrost. Put it on your face. Put it on low. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. We're working. Woo-wee. Cold air, baby. Woo-wee. To see how much I paid for it, and I can share a link for where I bought it from, the company I bought it from. But again, if you don't like Mexicans, it's made in Mexico, so you might want to try another company. Obviously I don't care because I'm not like that, and I'm Mexican myself. So anyways, that's one thing off my list. But if you're a hater, don't put a thumbs down. Just can't say nothing nice, don't say nothing at all, man. Shit. All right, man. Peace.